Okay, I'm going to use my computer to see if I can capture the snowstorm. It's a movie. Where we can see at least what's going on outside. This is going to be a little weird, but here's what it looks like outside. Might be a little bright, but this is what 33 inches of snow looks like after it's been plowed. I might lose connection. Let's see. It's a little slippery out here. You can see our mailbox. And there's over here is the.
Hey, just wanted to say hi real quick.
It's kind of crazy. It's a little nuts. There's ice dams all over, and probably about 4 or 5 inches left on the rooftops of homes. We just got plowed just overnight last night, but some of the cars haven't been plowed or cleaned off. You can see, well, the sun's kind of melting them. But basically, a lot of these people couldn't even get out of their houses because the snow was drifted up to their homes, up to their doors. And you can see the ice dams coming off of the houses. I don't know if you can get a little closer here. Let's see. Coming off of the roofs. You see? That's nutty. See that? It's even worse out back in some cases. But people have tried to make paths for the dogs because dogs can't go to the bathroom. It's really crazy. This is the blizzard of February 2010. It's beautiful, but we lost some power. And well, whatever. Mike's been out here shoveling and shoveling and shoveling and shoveling. So. You can see how big the piles are of snow that people have created. Let's take a little walk. A lot of the trees have broken off. Their limbs have broken off. But anyway, this is me. And this is the snow right next to me. You can see the shadow that it creates. Here, maybe I'll step back a little bit, you can see it. A little crazy. Some people can't even get back on their decks. The birds don't have any food. The animals don't have any food. Well, anyway, that's what it looks like around here. And there's my neighbor, Kristen. Hi, Kristen. I'm doing a little video on my new Mac. Okay. And that's Logan. Say hi for the video.
You say hi?
Say hi, Logan. What do you think about all this snow?
Yeah.
Lots of snow.
No. Is it good?
It's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
There
No?
was, you've got like a path behind your house
I do?
where it looks like a bunch of dogs or a dog was,
Yeah, that's what Nathan said.
it's really nutty looking.
Uh-huh.
There's this like a crazy path back there. Originally Mike thought it was like a deer, but it looks like dog tracks.
Huh.
A big dog.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Well, it had to have been a big dog to make the path that it did. So, anyway, here he goes. Careful, buddy. Well, have a good day. Bye. All right, back to the house. This is us. Back into the warm, too. It's cold out here. Whoa. Ow. Okay. I'm Susie, and that was my video of the snowstorm in Maryland, Gaithersburg. Bye.